Hello parents, this is Florence School YouTube channel. I am Manoj sir. Today actually I am going to explain a common thing for all child. What is that? How to teach addition at beginning stage. Generally at the beginning time when the child is in KG1 like that, the small addition we are teaching. Some child is confused to learn the addition. What is happening? That I am going to explain. Actually, I have a lot of things to say you about the behavior of the children, how to tackle your child, how to teach your child, especially small children. Lot of things, their mind is vacant. Whatever you will say them, that only captured by them, that only followed it. So always you have to teach them in a correct way. You don't teach, it is okay. But once you teach, that process should be very correct. No mistake is given, mistake or correct or wrong way is not taught to any child. So one small thing about the addition, I am telling you, you have to understand. With this you can understand a lot of things. See here, I am teaching addition. That one teacher is teaching addition. What they are doing? They told child to add 2 plus 3. We know easily 2 plus 3 is 5. How to start? Generally, first, let one teacher is teaching like that. They have taken the finger. They said 1, 2. Because 2 is given, 1, 2. Then 3 is given. Then say 1, 2, 3. Means 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is coming and 5 it is written. Easy, nothing? Okay. Method 1 we have taught by counting the fingers. Yes, easy. No problem. Now next. Some teacher, how they are teaching? They are teaching, they have taken the finger, they are counting like this. This here 1, 2 and 3. That means this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Like this they are counting. So what is given? 1, 2, or start from here. 1, 2, then 3. 1, 2 and 3. Then count all. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 4, 5. They have written 5. Now that is the counting the gaps of this finger. This 1, 2, 3 like this. So 5 is coming. So counting the gaps of the finger. Counting the gaps of finger. Another way. Now third what is? Some teacher or some parents whatever counting the line of the finger. That means 1, 2, 3. This is taken as 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. For them there are 4 in this, 4 in this. Who are counting the gap? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. For them it is 3. So first is 2, 1, 2. That means this is 1 and this is 2. Then another 3. So 1, 2 and this is 3. So what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is coming. That means they are counting lines of fingers. Is it also correct? 5 is coming. Now some parents or teachers whatever, they are counting not like this. They are teaching like this. 2 is there, draw 2 lines. Okay. Then 3 is there. Then draw 3 lines. Then count and write 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 5 is coming. This is also correct. Okay. 5 is written. So what is this? Counting the lines. Counting the lines. And we are adding this. This is also correct. Now some, what they do? They counting the circles. So to draw 2 circles, They are explaining the students like this. Then 3 is given. So 1, 2, 3. Then draw 3 circles. Now tell how many circles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is coming. That means counting the circles. Counting the circles. More than that, there are many processes. There are some taking boxes also, some taking objects also. All are correct process. It is this way, that way, all are this way or some other way, all are correct, all are not a problem. Anyhow you teach. But where child is confused, my question is that where child is confused. In school, let it is taught counting the fingers. First, naturally school start addition, then parents will teach, then there are some teacher, you have kept tuition teacher, they are also helping the child to do sums. Parents are teaching, first teachers is teaching like this, counting the fingers. The teacher has taught 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, it will come 5. Start child, just given some sums, they are taught in counting the fingers and they are doing sums. 3, 4 sums done in the school. It is a small child explained by the teachers like this. Okay? But this is not written in the copy. I have taught counting like this. The child has gone to home. Now parents also want to explain him. Like parents have learned how they have learned counting the gaps of finger in their life. So she is also teaching own child how start some given 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 7, whatever is given, and start counting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So parents are teaching addition by counting the gaps. Now see, what is the confusion? Teachers has taught by counting the fingers. Parents are teaching by counting the gaps. You have sent your child to any tuition teacher. One teacher has come to your house and you said, in school it is taught, now you also teach please. The teacher has seen diary, addition is given, okay, I will teach addition very well. Teacher has learned some other way. What is? Counting by lines. Like this is done by school, this is done by parents, and teacher is teaching counting by lines. Teacher is in front of teacher, the child is practicing. Add 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That is 5 will come, 5 right. Another sum, 1 plus 2, what is? Count 1, 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2, 3. Then write 3. Now you just think, what is the problem of child? They are learning addition. 3 different persons are teaching in 3 different ways. One way, teacher is teaching, another way, parents is teaching, another way, it's tuition teacher or any other teacher you have kept. Then he is teaching another way. Now the child is confused. The addition, what they will learn within 1 week, that will learn within a month. The child is so small child, the 3 types of addition, he is confused to add. How will I do? In school he has gone, he is drawing the line 1, 2, 3. The teacher said, no, don't do like this. Tuition teacher is saying, don't do like that. Parents is saying, don't do like this. The child is confused. So what is the correct way to teach the child? I am telling you. Because in school he cannot change. He cannot go to school and say, teacher teach like this. He cannot say. So before that, once addition is started, first ask the child how it is taught. How teacher has taught, the school teacher. Like your child said, teacher has taught by counting the fingers. You start with counting with fingers only. In tuition teacher, that also asks the student that how it is taught in school, what method is followed. The child must say, teacher taught like this, then teach like that. It is not that all school will teach like this. Some school will teach on these fingers, some teacher will teach on counting the lines, Some teacher teach like this, some teacher teach like this. Different school teachers are taught in different way. So ask the child first which method is followed in the school. You will continue with that method only. Then one method is learned by the child. Easily he can learn, fast he can learn, he will not confuse, he will do the addition process very fast. This is not only for addition, for any kind of sum. At first, before teaching the child, at first ask the child what method is followed, what process is followed. Because if the child is grown up, they can understand 2-3 methods, no problem. If child in class 6, 7, then school taught in different way, teacher teaching in different way, parents teaching in different way, they are capable to understand. Okay, no, this way also can do, that way also can do. But small child, age is 4 plus, 5 plus, it is difficult for them to understand. So for addition, not for subtraction, for any other methods, for any other sums, for any other things, whatever. So before teaching your child, small child especially, you have to ask them how the teacher has taught to you. Your teacher teaching 50 students, 40 students. So we cannot go to school and change the teacher. I can say the teacher teach like that. The process would be correct. Then you have to follow that method. All methods are correct, but one way you have to go for your child at the beginning stage. Later on, they have no problem. There is no difficulties. They can learn very easily. I think all of you understand. This way, I think if followed is benefited for your child also. Lot of things I have to say. This is one small things is there. It is very small thing, but this mistake is going on. Like this, lot of points I have in my mind. I will say everything. Slowly, I will explain everything for nursery children, toddlers, KG1, KG2, 1 to 5. The experience I got that I'll share with you. Okay, parents, hope little bit you have understood about this. Thank you.